Alright, today I'm going to show you how to take apart a 360 controller and put it back together. First, you would need a very tiny flathead screwdriver and a star T9 head screwdriver. Now, I will show you where to take off the screws. One right here, right here, right there, right there, right there, and right there. And there's a seventh one hidden right there where the battery pack is. Okay. In a little bit I will tell you why you need the little small head screwdriver. You need the small, very small, fine head screwdriver because on all the screws there are little tiny tabs in the middle of the screw. You have to get a special screwdriver with a hole in the middle, or you can use a very small flathead screw like what I'm gonna do in a little bit. Right here. So you have to wedge it between the tab and the screw so you can twist it and it comes off. Drop the flathead. Tap it out, and you do not want to lose these screws. You want to put it in like some kind of bowl or cup. You can break off the tab with a small screwdriver, but it's very hard. You have to like twist it really fast or something, but sometimes it does not break. That's why you have to use a small flathead screwdriver. Okay. Now when you take it apart, you want the buttons facing down. Otherwise, these all buttons right here will fall out and go everywhere, and you don't want that. So you will hold it by the top of the battery pack in the bottom, and hold it by the mic in the top part, and pull right there like that. You see? Now you want to look at whatever you want to do with it, and if you want to take the board out, just push on the analog sticks like so, and it comes out. Well, my controller already took it apart once. There's gonna be a spinning thing that makes the vibrate controller, because when you play games, you shoot somebody or something, or you get hit, it vibrates. That's why I just took it out because to make it lighter. That's all. And see, the button still intact, everything. And you want to do anything or mod it or whatever, this is how you take it out. Now I'm gonna put it back together for you. First, put the analog sticks, line it up with the hole, and make sure you hear a clicking sound like that. Then you put this back on. You have to line up with the spring where the battery pack right there, and slide it into the slot, and then you push it together until you firmly snap. Now put the screws back together. Put it back there, or right there. You just drop it into the hole. It won't disappear or anything. Try to make sure what's the right screw. Put it back together. Now you want to be careful on the screw where it is, because it can fall in that crack right there, and then you have to take that controller apart again. Or sometimes you might get lucky, you can shake it out, but you don't want to do that. Make sure it's tight, not too tight, otherwise you can't take it out. Oops. Well, that's it. That's how you take apart and put it back to the controller. Thanks for watching.